Hi guys, in this video we're gonna go over the internal information from Shopify about the best products that you could sell or to look to sell in 2024. So in this video we are seeing that one of the niches that is recommended from Shopify is pet supplies. According to Trends, Google Trends, we're seeing that there is a bounce of the recent low of the demand for the past 12 months. People who love their animal will always spend money on it. The question is, do you have the right product, right? According to them, there is an expectations for these particular products to be trendy, and this pet supplies is the one that Shopify recognizes good for dropshipping. Rope leashes, right? Leak-proof poo packs, pee pads. We're seeing that they're targeting very small products, utility-based products. You're not gonna see anything fancy over here. Some dog clothes, because dog clothes might not fit. Dog pads. They're focusing on cat litter, stain eliminator, pet supplements, treats, odor eliminator, dog toys. Very, very small things, just like a maintenance of your pet. So this is a big difference. In the previous suggestions, we always see, some like fancy clothes, jackets, shoes, dog shoes, stuff that are not usually in the utility side. Now we're seeing that the whole focus is around what you can actually use, not only to maintain your pet, but also maintain your house around your pet, to clean the mess after that. So take a closer look. If you previously sell some of these, probably there is a chance that you might have even better data and particular edge on this particular niche. The next one is the home interiors. This actually it's trying to reach a previous recent highs. There is a demand for home interiors. The main issue, probably you reassure yourself, is that the shipping, a lot of these items are big, they're heavy, and if you're hit with chargebacks and you have to pay for the items to be shipped back to you, well then you're screwed. But let's see what Shopify thinks about it. Top dropshipping products to sell in the home interiors. You have a linen bed sheets, microfiber bed sheets, pillows, blackouts, curtains, non-slip hangers, handheld clothes steamer. This is good one. The steamer is in demand. It's a very good product. Small, I would say, easy to ship. You have a satin pillowcases, laundry baskets, frames, Christmas decor. It's off. DIY craft fabrics, rugs, ceramic vases, and shower curtain liners. It's almost items that you're going to see inside the dollar store. It almost makes me to think that the dollar store actually dropship all these years, right? The next one is good and something that is definitely will bounce back, and as you can see over here is trying to actually make a new highs, is the office products. A lot of people are actually now enforced to go back to the office. So not only individuals but businesses will be buying a lot of office, not only office supplies, but everything related to the office. So let's see what is the suggestion or the recommendations from Shopify. According to them, the top dropshipping products to sell in the office niche are printer paper, notepads, heavy-duty packaging tape, ink cartridges, file folders, gel pens, bubble wrap, mechanical pencils, leather desk pads, staplers, moving boxes, ergonomic mouse pads, dry erase makers, markers. So guys, all of these items are small items. Again, something that handy you're going to find on your desk. So most likely you're going to be targeting businesses with this. You're going to be targeting, let's say, like a big office with like 100, 200, 300 people working there. So your goal is to actually get the big orders, right? Your goal is to get the the manager of the office, or the office manager, right? Simply to order 150 pens, 150 packs of printing paper, and this is how probably gonna make the most money. I haven't sold anything in the office niche. This is definitely something new for me as well. If you look down, we have tools and home improvement. This might be a very good niche. As you can see, we're having a very interesting uptrend trying to reach the most recent highs. If you scroll down, the top dropshipping pros to sell in the tools and home improvements. We have outdoor smart plugs, we have video doorbells, motion sensors, magnetic screen doors, extension cords, shelves, shoe storage. We have a patio umbrella lights, lawn chairs, we have camping gear, air purifiers, drill brush power scrubber, silicone drain protector, folding step ladder, solar outdoor lights. Most of these items, guys, you can simply read and figure it out that these items are targeting people who love outdoor or people who have outdoor space already, people with a huge house with a backyard. You're not gonna target city families or people who live in the big cities, right? None of these people will be buying all these. Maybe you can get someone to buy the chairs if they have a balcony, right, in the cities, but again, you're not gonna get as many orders. So your target audience should be probably outside the big cities. I would say you should look, and probably the ads for these areas might be actually cheaper. I cannot guarantee you this, but again, depending where you actually promote, do you utilize the Facebook ads still, or you're trying to run some TikTok ads through the actual Shopify? Very possible, very easy, guys. The next one is the phone accessories. This is nothing new. There was a peak over here, we can see, and now we're trying to bounce back from the recent lows. What are these products, right? Phone accessories. We have ring lights, we have USB-C power adapters, right, with the new iPhone. We have screen protectors, waterproof cases, custom cases, portable chargers. We have phone grips, we have car chargers, we have phone mounts, selfie sticks, wireless charging stations. Most of these products, guys, they're not new, and probably they're active every single year. In the particular time, people will get crazy, buy new protectors, new cases, new screen protectors, or USB charger adapters, or something for the car where they can actually hang the phone. So I believe this is quite seasonal. The demand is there, but there is a particular months when you're gonna see more sales than others. Well, guys, we are going to do part 3 in another video because we don't want to get this video too long. This is part 2. We want to make sure that you go and watch part 1 as well. If you want to check and try Shopify, there is a link under this video. Go ahead and give it a shot.